Hi, this is Freddy from the JurisCase video tutorials. In this video, we'll be going over the organization features offered by JurisCase. JurisCase's organization features is one of the benefits that users like the most because unlike any other legal research database, you can easily maintain your own personalized research library by bookmarking cases, creating and saving documents, organizing documents to specific folders or clients, and much more. To describe this better, think of JurisCase as a legal research database built on a practice management software. Not only can you do legal research efficiently, but you can save your research and keep everything organized so that you can effortlessly refer to it in the future. So let's get started with the document management, beginning with the folder management. Once you log in, the first thing you want to take a look at is the folder management. Go to the left navigation bar and click on Manage Documents. When the drop-down menu expands, click on the Folder Management tab. This is where you create folders, make changes to any existing folders, or open to view the contents in each folder. To create a new folder, simply click on the Add New Folder button on the top right corner of the page. Enter the name you wish to save the folder as, and click Save. To open, edit, or delete a folder, you can do so in the column on the right-hand side. Now let's look at how to create a new document. There are two ways of creating a new document. The first way to create a new document is by saving the notes you've written when viewing a case. You can take notes and use any of the editing tools, such as Clone Case, which copies the entire case so that you can highlight and type notes right on the case itself. Once you're done with your notes, you can save the notes by clicking on File and then Save. Select the folder where you want to save the document in, or create a new folder if needed. The title of the document is pre-populated with the name of the case, but it can be changed if you'd like to save the document under a different title. Then click Save. The second way of creating a document is to go to the Notepad page, where you can prepare a document not related to any specific case. Once you've written your document, you can save it by following the same process mentioned before. To view your saved document, you can either go to the folder management page and open the folder where the document was saved, or you can find it in the Documents page. The last points we're going to cover for the document management of JurisCase is the editing and deleting of a document. To edit your documents, you can either click on the Edit button in the Document Management page, or you can click on the Edit button in the Document View page. Deleting a document is as simple as clicking the Delete button in the Document Management page. And it'll be sent off to the Deleted Documents page. Here, you have a chance to recover the deleted document or permanently delete it. Bookmark management. Anytime you want to bookmark a case, whether from within the search results or the case view, the case gets stored in the Bookmarks page. To view all of your bookmarked cases, simply click on the Bookmarks tab in the left navigation bar. Last but not least, we'll review the saved searches. When you save search results, they will all be compiled in the Saved Searches page. In this page, you can view the search criteria and edit it when necessary. Now that you've done this video tutorial, the recommended next step is to schedule a demo with a JurisCase team member. We'll gladly address any questions you may have in a personal one-on-one demo. Otherwise, visit our support center at juriscase.com/support.